In the world of printing, every detail matters. It's not just about putting ink to paper. It's about creating visual narratives that resonate. Welcome to Vardhaman Paper Group, where quality and innovation come together in printing and packaging. Since 1988, we've been leading the way in the printing and publishing, notebooks and paper stationery, and packaging industry, offering tailored solutions across sectors like pharma, electronics, FMCG, sports, and publishing. From monocarton packaging to commercial printing for books, catalogs, educational games, notebooks, paper stationery, and raw materials for paper cups and disposable crockery, we provide comprehensive services to meet your unique needs. Our facilities, spanning over 5 lakh square feet, having cutting-edge machinery that ensures top quality results on every project. Our production capabilities are designed to handle both high-volume orders and intricate designs without compromising on quality. Our printing capabilities are powered by 6 state-of-the-art machines, including a Heidelberg CD102 LX6 color offset with inline UV facilities, perfect for all types of UV printing, such as matte pad jobs and 5-color UV printing. Additionally, we have another CD5 Plus coater, 2 8-color Heidelberg SM102 machines, and 2 Komori L426 4-color offset machines, ensuring superior quality and precision for all printing needs. We offer exceptional monocarton packaging solutions with our advanced machinery, including a reel-to-sheet cutting machine, an automatic die cutting machine, and a fully automatic flute laminator. These tools allow us to deliver intricate and durable packaging designs, while our automatic folding, window patching, and foiling machines ensure secure and professional finishes. We specialize in creating all types of monocartons, including 3-ply cartons, using the latest fingerless G-flute, E-flute, and B-flute machines for utmost quality. To provide the best services and quality, we have equipped our plant with the latest pre-press software and machines, including a digital sample cutter, a digital printer, and a state-of-the-art CTP machine. Our book printing and binding services leverage the power of Heidelberg and Komori printing machines to handle large-scale book projects with precision. Our binding capabilities include perfect binding, thread sewing, center stitching, and case binding, making us a trusted partner for producing soft cover, hard cover, and premium quality coffee table books. We also specialize in producing a wide range of notebook products, including school notebooks, paper stationery, and spiral-bound journals. With advanced reel-to-sheet cutting and folding machines, we efficiently handle large volumes while maintaining consistent quality. Our binding options include spiral binding, saddle stitching, and perfect binding for durable and high-quality products. Our disposable packaging division focuses on producing eco-friendly products like paper cups and disposable crockery. Using cutting-edge materials and production techniques, we ensure that our disposable products meet the highest quality standards while being environmentally responsible. We have a skilled in-house design team that works closely with clients to bring their ideas to life. This team focuses on creating visually appealing and functional designs that align with your brand identity and marketing goals. From concept to final product, we ensure that our designs are not only attractive but also practical for production. At Vardhaman Paper Group, quality and customer satisfaction are our top priorities. Our dedicated team conducts rigorous quality checks to ensure that every project not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Vardhaman Paper Group, your trusted partner in printing, packaging and sustainable disposable packaging solutions.